In this video, we will explore one of the most incredible places in Guatemala, Semuc Champey waterfalls. Hidden in the forests of Guatemala, in the center of the country, we find one of the most beautiful and biodiverse natural landscapes we have seen here. Semuc Champey, besides impressing with its greenish waterfalls, is a place of great cultural and spiritual importance for the Maya communities living in the region. This incredible place is located in Lanquín, a region that has been developing thanks to cultural tourism, which has increasingly brought tourists from all over the world here. So, welcome to Semuc Champey. Hey guys, in today's video we are going to show an incredible place here in Guatemala called Semuc Champey. And this is one of the most beautiful national parks that we really wanted to visit here in Guatemala. So stay until the end of this video because I'm sure you'll be surprised. We just arrived here at the Semuc Champey National Park. We walked here, and it took us about 10 minutes. But since it's very hot here, we are dying, very tired already. And this is one of the most beautiful national parks that we really wanted to visit here in Guatemala. So follow along because I think it will be very special. And here in Semuc Champey National Park, we can do some trails, including this one that we're on now. We're going to climb to the viewpoint up there, which is about 500 meters, taking approximately half an hour to get there. It's the view we have of the main postcard spot, which is the pools down below. Later, when we come back and rest a bit, we'll also do other trails, and one of them will take us to the river that is further down. Now we're on a little trail that is an uphill climb, about 500 meters around. 30 minutes to get there. And it's one of the main places to visit here in Semuc Champey, which is an incredible viewpoint up there. Very surreal, where we can see all the pools of Semuc Champey down below. So first we will go up, then we will come down, and from here we can descend to the pools to enjoy the view down there. Finally, we arrived at one of the places we wanted to see the most. Seriously, look how surreal this place is. Look at all the pools, the color of that water down there. Incredible. And we just arrived here at the viewpoint. We are quite high up, and we can see all the pools from up here. And seriously, we don't even have words to describe this place and the color of this water. There are several pools, and each one has a different shade. Just look how amazing. Seriously, you have no idea how beautiful this place is. Just look at the colors of the water down there. Look how amazing. After we descended for about 25 more minutes, we have now arrived at the area of the pools. Here people can swim. It is restricted. We cannot go further. The pools end there, so we are limited to this space. But there are several pools that we can swim in around here, and this is the exact point where the water from the river behind us enters this underground cave. It crosses through the entire Semuc Champey area, beneath all the pools, and it will come out at the end, where the other waterfall we visited in previous days is located. And as you saw, there are several pools. We were at the first ones, up front. Now we took the trail. We will get to know some other pools that are more in the middle. And we want to reach the last one, which was one of the most beautiful, and we will try to get there. And as you can see, it's quite crowded, a lot of people here. But there are several pools and various places for us to go as well. If you want to learn more about Guatemala and everything this destination has to offer, we have prepared a complete ebook with everything you need to know before coming to the country, and the link is in the description of this video. In our upcoming videos, we will show that the Lanquín region has much more to offer than just Semuc Champey. We visited caves and learned more about cocoa culture, like the Maya community, in addition to staying in an amazing place and discovering more breathtaking natural landscapes.